Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Atlanta, local and long-distance movers near me. We have several years of experience as long-distance movers. Our high-end expertise ensures the transition from one home to another is seamless from the packing, unpacking, loading, and unloading. Our fees are inclusive and include labor, truck, and moving equipment, and we have 0 hidden costs. Undeniably, the team is well-rounded in the moving process, making us one of the best Atlanta moving companies, and we ensure you're settled into your new home or office. Due to the incorporation of modern technology, innovative equipment, and hiring experienced and professional movers, you can expect a swift and streamlined long-distance moving process. Primarily, our long-distance moving services include the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Whether moving from one apartment to another or from one condo to another, the process of moving can be overwhelming and stressful without the help of professional movers. Our company is among the top-rated local movers that ensure a streamlined process of moving in the Atlanta area. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Atlanta moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.